Google Play Store or whatever you're actually using. If you're using an iPhone, you understand, Apple Store. So once you get there, you just search for YouTube app. So once you get to the YouTube app, sometimes you see something like updates. Once you see something like update, first of all, before you upload, click on that update. I'm going to be leaving it on the screen for you guys to see. Go to your Google Play Store, search for YouTube before you upload at all. I'm sure a lot of us have updates that we just ignore it. Like, as long as YouTube is there, you guys are just like uploading. Go and check. Update it first. If you do not update it, you might be missing out on some features, and the algorithm might not be able to really push out your content because it has been updated and you are yet to update with it. You get? So for you to actually be in terms, like to actually grow at the same pace as the way YouTube is actually growing with the algorithm, you need to first of all go to your YouTube Play Store and search for YouTube. Click on the update, and once it has been updated, then you can now go ahead and upload your shorts. What many people actually make is the hashtag stuffing. YouTube itself, I think I'm going to put it on the screen for you guys to see. YouTube itself has said that anybody that is involved in hashtag stuffing, your video can either be removed or ignored. So that's when you see people, oh, they actually post videos. Too much of hashtag stuffing, it will just make the algorithm abandon your video. Maybe you're trying to be like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this. And you guys should even hear the shocking fact, or should this be called shocking fact or just fact? Yes, this is just the fact, the main fact. To get a viral short video, it's not from hashtag, it's from short feeds. All you need to do is to make the algorithm show your video in the short feeds, not from the hashtag. So if you're doing all those hashtag stuffing, it doesn't really matter. In fact, you're just harming your channel more. You should at least post. It's not as if you cannot use hashtag at all. You can. But at least 3 hashtags is fine. Maximum of 5 hashtags if you must use it. Because there are some people that, oh, they must use, they actually believe hashtag is their savior to getting views, which is totally wrong. In fact, one of my viral video I did has no hashtags in them. No single hashtag. I just uploaded it. But I'm not saying you cannot use hashtag. You can use hashtag, but 3 to 5 is the standard for the algorithm to push you. Do you guys totally understand? And also, after all of that is done, before you make your video public, I'm also going to be leaving it on the screen for you guys to see. Make sure to check when your audience are available or when they are going to be online, and schedule your video. Schedule your video 1 hour before that particular time. I'm leaving it up on the screen for you guys to see. Schedule your video 1 hour before that time. And when you're trying to, schedule your video, don't just put it on private. No. You can either schedule it to be 1 hour before that time, or you put it as unlisted. So once you put it as unlisted, YouTube algorithm is able to give full check on that particular video. Full, complete check. Immediately your video goes live 1 hour before your audience come online. So when they come online and they see it, it automatically sends that signal to you to, like, when they start watching and they start viewing, it sends that signal to you so that, oh, people are actually engaging with this particular shot. Rather than you uploading anytime you like, because some of us just upload shots anytime we like. We don't check our analytics to know when our audience are online. We just upload shots anytime we like. It's okay, I feel like uploading shots now. Upload the shots, and then the shots turns out to not really fly up. Some of us can actually be lucky and get away with it. There are some people that, oh, they don't really check all of those things and they get away with it. That's because it's the algorithm. It's YouTube algorithm. It's not the human being. So you can be lucky that the algorithm actually favors you at that particular time. But to do things right, you need to actually post when your audience are actually going to be available to watch that particular content, so that immediately they watch it, it sends signals. YouTube will start to push it out here, push it to other new viewers, and then you get other people coming to your channel. Another thing I would like to discuss is your video title for your shorts. Whenever you want to upload a short, make sure the first 2 words are keywords. Don't just use any words, and make sure that the first 2 words are in capital letter. Do you understand? And like, use keyword. Okay, let's say for example, I want to talk about 1,000 subscribers in 1 day, or 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. I can put something like, I'm going to be leaving it on the screen on how I'm actually going to do it. 1,000 subscribers in capital letter. Then the rest cannot be in a day. You understand? So like the first 2 words can be in capital letter because it pops up more. Do you guys actually understand? So that titling matters. when you're actually going for your shot, because the people, when they scroll and they see title, it attracts them, especially when it is capitalized. It is, how should I put it attracts them more than when you just put it. So putting the first two words for your title, number one, make sure they are keywords, not just any words. Make sure they are keywords, then make sure they are capitalized. After you have done any of this and you're still encountering issues when you upload your shorts, please do well to let me know in the comment section, because I really doubt if you do any of this, you should still have issues, because I'll personally need to check your channel to see why this is actually still going bad for you. But if you actually try all of this, I am expecting and I'm also believing that there should be a positive change with your shorts. And whenever your short, once you start getting views using your shorts, that way you get subscribers, because the fastest way to which you can actually get subscribers is by shorts. Like, that is like the fastest way. Then the second fastest way is when you actually go live. Live streaming is underestimated. A lot of us don't actually go live. Like, even if you want to go live, maybe you will just be showing things that are not really engaging or really interesting. But one of the best ways to really get that subscribers, if you want to, is by interacting with them, talking one-on-one like this, just the way I'm talking. I'm not saying faceless channels cannot get subscribers using live. Faceless channels, faceless videos can actually get subscribers using live, but it is not as high. Like, when they are live, it is not as high as when they are seeing you like this, like you relating to them one-on-one, communicating with them, interacting with your audience. You see, the kind of audience, the kind of vibe you get naturally interacting with your audience send more signal to your audience and your viewers to subscribe to your channel, rather than they just seeing, oh, a faceless channel. And you will definitely see subscribers, but the higher rates is when they're actually seeing you, one-on-one like this. So, all right, if you still have any issues, let me know in the comment section. But if you fix all of these things, you should definitely be getting subscribers to your channel. And as long as you're actually consistent, post at least 6 shots in a day, yeah, that is totally fine. Before I go, I would love to say this. Please do want to subscribe in case if I just find my channel for the first time. And if you're an OG, thank you for always coming back to this particular channel. Thank you for trusting me, and thank you for always believing in me. And please also do not forget to hit on the like button, because when you like, YouTube actually gets to push this video out to more people. Please do not forget to like, and it also encourages me to actually bring out more updates and more information for you guys. And also, please do want to leave a comment in the comment section if you have tried all of these, and let me know your results in the comment section. Like, I will be in the comment section to hear you guys' results and how it has been working for you.